Hey guys, I'm MarcTheGeek. In this video, I wanted to share a hands-on look at a monitor, which is basically a portable TV. This is from Eyoyo. I got this through the mail. The reason I'm not doing the typical unboxing video is because this comes in a kind of boring box. What you're gonna get in the inside, you're gonna get the brown bag little box, which has the remote controls and all the cables and all that. You're also gonna get the instruction manuals. And besides the instruction manual, you're going to get the monitor, which is like in the inside of a bubble wrap sleeve. So that way it's actually really protected inside of the box while shipping. And basically that's it. That's all you're going to get. Like I said, this is a portable TV. And the only reason I would guess that somebody would buy this if you actually need a portable TV, not a great monitor, because the resolution for this thing is actually 1366 by 768, which the best thing you're gonna get is actually 720p, and the brightness is actually around 250 nits, I believe. Yeah, 250 nits, and a 16 by 9 60-inch screen. It has two speakers, but every speaker is like a watt each. Here in the back, this is cool that you have this kickstand, which goes all the way like 180 degrees, and it's very stiff, so it's very strong, so it will actually maintain any angle that you put it on. And also what's cool about it is that you can also put it all the way up like this, and when you put it up like this, you can actually hang it anywhere. So if like you're in an RV or in your apartment or something like that, you need to put your screen on the wall, very easily you could just do it like I'm doing here on the video, and that's it. And as long as you have the antenna, of course, that it connects right here, right? The antenna connects right here, and this is actually the antenna you're gonna get. And all you gotta do is if you're on the kitchen, for example, like I'm showing you guys here on the video, you could just attach it to the refrigerator and just scan your channels. Once you scan your channels, depending on the location where you live at, you might get 20 channels, you might get 30 channels. In my location where I live at here in El Paso, I actually got over 40 channels, which is cool because it gets like US channels and also gets channels from Mexico, because we're close to the border. So that's pretty cool. I always get like over 40 channels for free, and they all like HD on all my TVs at home, so that's pretty cool. Also, besides that, you got an HDMI port, you got a headphone jack, you got this right here, which is you're gonna charge your cable from you can charge your device here. On the other side, you have this USB port, and you also have a SD card slot there, so you can actually put like movies or something like that. You have these controls here in the back, which is one is for power, menu, channel, volume, and mode. And basically that's it. So let's go ahead and turn this on right here. We're gonna turn it on, right? Gonna tap it right there. I'm gonna put this, attach it to my lights over here. That way I can actually get some signal. Depending where you're at, you're gonna have to rescan the channels. That way because when it switches locations, is going to require to be scanned, so it can get the proper channel depending on what the antenna can actually pick up. So that's why if you're moving location, you should always go here, right, and click right here where it says auto scan, and it will auto scan your go right there. It will just auto scan all the channels from your area and everything that's available for your area, all the channels available for your area that the antenna can actually pick up. Let me go ahead and wait for this thing to finish. That way I can show you guys going through the channels a little bit. This is how the controller actually looks. It's pretty cool because it has all the controls and functions, the buttons that you're gonna need to take care of this thing. And believe me, it's way better to use the controller than the buttons on the back, because you're gonna have a better experience. Like you see there, right away, let me lower down the volume here. Right away, it turned into the first channel that is received. Like you see here, because of the location that I'm at, I think it only recognized like 9 channel. That's it, like 9 channel. But if you saw on the video, I actually got from my kitchen over 40 channels. So like I said, depending where you at in your home or any location or any state, any town, is going to depend what kind or how many channels you're going to get. You got the options here for TV, HDMI, AV, FM radio, and media. If we go to media, right? And media, that's where you're going to control SD card and everything that you put there, like photos, music, movies, text. You can all load it up here. Of course, since it has HDMI, yes, you can hook up any console whatsoever. So if you have a PS5 or PS2, PS3, PS4, Xbox, whatever, Nintendo Switch, if you're traveling, you have an RV, yes, you can hook up any console here as well. Look at this. It also have an old connection as well, which is this RCA audio video cables. I haven't seen this in freaking years, and it actually has this connection as well. And by the way, I said they had two headphone jacks. No, it's actually one of those headphone jacks, which looks like a headphone jacks, is actually for this thing right here. It's for audio video coming from this. So that means you can hook up like old devices, portable DVD players and all that. And it also has a DC, you know, adapter for the car as well, for the lighter as well. So yeah, the cool thing is, of course, this thing goes for below $200, and it comes with all the cables you're gonna need. It comes with the antenna, it comes with the old connection for old devices, it comes with this so you could use it in your car. And also, since it has portable or internal battery, I think the battery is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, you can actually get around 2 hours, 2.5 hours of video time. So yeah, I already did test that. And like you see here in the video, the only thing that I didn't like about this is that when the battery's running out, there's no like a level meter where you can see the battery status, but you will get like a notification on the corner of the screen saying that battery is about to die. And when that pops up, the thing is about to die. So you better plug it into the wall or something like that. I'll leave links in my descriptions for this device just in case you're interested, you're traveling, and you actually need something like a portable TV that you could hook it up on any state or any country you're at, and get free channels. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. Of course, if you want to turn it off. Right now I'm not getting too many good signal because I'm in my room, which is, there's barely any light going through. So thanks for watching this video. I'll leave links for this in my descriptions. Till next time. Bye bye.